YouTube channel P.A.D.L Robotics. First, I wish you all a happy and safe new year. And sorry for the delay of this video. So, I am with the last video of the Solidworks series and the first video in year 2021. As I told, we are going to design a table in Solidworks. So, let the designing begin.
Okay, let's start designing our table. So get a part first, and in features get extruded boss base and select top plane and get a center rectangle like this and draw like this, and then give the dimensions here as 70 and here as 150, and then click here and it will appear like this. Give the depth as 15, then OK. Now we create it and get the top view and here and get a center line and draw like this. Like this. Draw freely as these lines. And then we want to give the dimensions. So we are going to hold to the inside the leg. So here and here it won't be 12, and here to L is also 12. Here we are holding this square is we are holding. So here to here it won't be 10, and here to here also it won't be 10, and then here also it won't be 12, and here to here give the 10. We don't want to give the here dimension because it has already here, so give here the dimension as 12, and between the corner and the line get the dimension as 10, and it will appear like this. This line is stick big over, so I will arrange it. Okay, now get a corner rectangle and draw like this in these squares. And right click on it and click select. Now in features we want to hold this. So in features there is a option extrude cut and select these squares. This one, this one, this one, and this one. Now the direction won't be through all, it will hold through the solid now. So OK, now it has hold. So save it in a folder. Create a new folder called Solidworks table and save it in it as part 1. And then you want to close it from here, not here, here. And then get a new one and select part and OK. And then get extruded workspace and select top plane and create a center rectangle and give it 12 here and here as 20, and then click here. Now we are designing the leg of the table, so it will want to be a little bit higher, so give it 60 as the depth, like this it will appear. Now OK, and then get the top view and then get a center rectangle and draw from the center, and then give the dimensions here as 12. Here it is unwanted to give direct dimension because it has already given from here the 12, so click here get extruded boss base and give the depth as 15. In the first part we give 15 as depth, so here also we want to give 15 to fit to the hole. So OK, now it will appear like this. We designed the leg of the table, so save it also in the Solidworks table as part 2, and then close it from here. And now we are going to assemble this first part and the second part, so get assembly option and OK, and then here it will appear like this. There is opening a folder, so insert part 1 and part 2 and drag and drop here like this. And now we are going to join this, so we use mate option. So get the advanced mate from here and give the width selections. So we first select this plane and this plane, so they are want to be in here and here, and then we select the tab reference and width reference and OK it, and then they are joined, and then give the width another width and select this plane and this plane, and they are want to be in this plane and this plane, and then OK, you can see it join for the whole. Now we want to give a symmetric this plane and this plane, so get a symmetric and select the symmetric plane as here and here and here, and then we'll insert. So we made the first leg, so as it we want to make the other legs, so get a insert and get part 2, drop here and mate it, advanced mate, width, and click here, and they are going to be in here and here, and then OK, and then another width, this plane and this plane, and get the tab reference as they are want to be in here and here, and the width selections, width reference and tab reference are those, and OK it, and symmetric this plane, select this plane as a symmetric plane, and this plane and this plane, and it will fixed. Now we made 2 legs, so let's make other 2 also. So insert, get the 2 legs it is easier. And get one for here and mate it. Advanced mates with here, here, and here, and here are the tab reference. And then OK, and then get the width here. This plane and this plane are the tab reference. They are want to be in here and here. And then OK, symmetric plane is here, and the other parts here and here, and OK. The other one width here and here. It want to be fixed to this hole, so here and here are the tab reference. And OK, it is easier to drag here, and then get the width here and here the other width reference. Here and here is the tab reference. And OK, and the symmetric, this plane and this plane. This one and the other one, and OK. And this is our table. It is very beautiful, no? And this is the final project of our Solidworks series, and this is the final design, and it's fully defined, and I hope you enjoyed designing this table.
So we have came to the end of our video, and this is the last tutorial of Solidworks series. In next video we will do, no, that's a surprise. Until that, you want to wait. So if you are new to here, please subscribe and like this if this is good, and kindly request to you to share this, and to get our notification of our latest videos, click the bell button and select all. Thanks for watching. See you soon in another tutorial.